Today I want to talk to you about how you can keep yourself safe when you are operating a home-based business. If you're operating a home-based business, there are some personal protections that are a must and some that should be considered if you want to keep yourself safe and ensure your privacy. The first is obtaining an EIN, a Federal Employer Identification Number. Yes, you should still obtain this even if you do not have any employees. Why? Because as a business owner, you're going to be required to utilize your Social Security number on a variety of different forms unless you have an EIN. An EIN number is not just for those who have employees. It can be utilized in lieu of your Social Security number. Getting a free EIN is very fast, easy, and I have a video on how to obtain this linked down below. This will allow you to not have to list your Social Security number on a wide variety of different forms that have to go out to the government, individuals, and businesses. The next thing that you should consider is having a separate business address. Now, not everyone is going to be able to afford a separate office space, and you might not even have the need for that expense. So how do you protect your home-based business from using your personal address? Well, businesses need to have a registered, tangible, brick-and-mortar address on file. You cannot utilize a PO box on things such as your business license, Secretary of State filing, or other important legal documents. Virtual offices are a service that you pay for in order to have your business registered and listed on that brick and mortar store. This is not the same as a PO box or simply as a mail receiving service. You actually have to have your business registered to a virtual office service in order to actually list this onto documents such as your business license, etc. This is your phone number. Consider if you want to utilize a Google phone number for your business. You can simply reroute that phone number to ring to any phone that you want it to ring, including yours, your assistant's, or your mother-in-law. Now, the next step in keeping you and your business safe is going to be ensuring that you have proper contracts in place for all of your customers and clients that you are working with. It is well worth it to ensure that you have formal, attorney-reviewed contracts in place for all of your clients to prevent any future potential incidents. The next thing that you should consider in terms of keeping yourself safe is going to be to get a VPN. A VPN stands for Virtual Private Network, which is a service that protects your internet connection and privacy online. It creates an encrypted tunnel for your data so that you are able to send and receive data across shared or public networks within that service. Next is obtaining general liability insurance. If you are a service-based business who works with clients in person, or if you're someone that has customers coming into a shop or into your home for any reason, you need to make sure that you have liability insurance for your business as well as any specific addresses that you may be working on with clients. Obtain general liability insurance from mostly any insurance provider. Mine is through State Farm, and I have a $1 million general liability insurance policy. Anytime that I work off-site and I go to a remote location, I'm then able to get my insurance agent to create and issue a specific certificate naming that exact address where I am working as being covered under my policy. Last is to ensure that you have a privacy policy and legal disclaimers stated anywhere on your website or online presence where you are providing information, services, your website, your blog, etc.